I'm gonna work with Lady Bird on on painting out the paw target for the shut it behavior. Hey, Lady Bird.
She's ready to start right now.
I know. Okay. Thank you. So I've made a series of targets that get smaller and smaller to fade out the target for her. So we'll see how she does. All right, shut it. Good girl.
Wow.
Just gonna remind her with a big one a couple times. Shut it. Shut it. Good girl. She's definitely much more confident. Shut it. Good girl. Okay. So instead of using that big target again, use the next size down. As long as I don't destroy it. Oh, wait, Lady Bird. Lady Bird, come here. Sit. Down. Wait. Shut it. Good girl. Alright. Let's see. Next size down. If she knocks them down, I'll just put up the next smallest. Wait. Oh, Libra. Sit. Wait. Shut it. Good girl. Shut it. Good job. Okay. She says, get that big target.
She goes, next size.
Next size. This one's significantly smaller. Lady Bird, come here. Good girl. Down. Stay. Okay, shut it. Good girl. Shut it. Good job. Sit. Well, I said sit. I know, but you gotta sit. All right. Oh. I know, you're ready to go. Sit. Wait. Okay, shut it. Good job. And to make this target, all I used was a poop bag and just cut it into smaller and smaller pieces. So it's a cost-effective way to make your own little visible targets. Sit. Down. Wait. Okay, shut it. Good girl. Shut it. Good girl. Yay. She's thinking about it a lot more with that teeny tiny target. Okay, Lady Bird, come here. Sit. Down. Wait. Okay, shut it. Yeah, good job. You get a jackpot for that one. Good girl. That's a jackpot, because it was so good. And you're so small. Let's try the next size down. Now we're getting little. This one's about half the size of that one. Lady Bird, over here. Touch. Yes. Down. I know you know you're down. Lady Bird, down. I know. Good girl. She says, I'm so excited. Wait. Okay, shut it. Good job! She's like, I'm just dying to kill it. Oh, wait. Wait, Lady Bird. Lady Bird, come over here. Sit. Sit. You can shut it in a second. Wait. Hey, Lady Bird, shut it. Good girl. Okay, I think she's ready for the next smallest one. And this will be the last target that we're doing. It's only about the length of my thumbnail. Sit. Oh. Yeah. Wait. Okay, shut it. Good job.
Wow.
Good job. Right, sit. Sit. Wait. Shut it. Good job,
Yeah,
Lady
good
Bird.
girl.
Down. Down. Wait. Shut it. Good job.
Yes.
That was a good one. Okay, down. Oh, that's not what I said. Sit down. Sit. I know. She says, but I just want to shut it. Yeah. Wait. Now I'm going to remove the target completely. Wait. Shut it. Good job. So target, I don't need no stinking target. Shut it. Good job. Shut it. Good job. Good girl, Lady Bird. Good job. Good girl. Wait. Shut it. Good job.
She's got some force behind that.
Wait. Shut it. Good job. Okay, let's see if we can generalize to another cabinet now. We're going to take a field trip to the other side of the room. Sit. So no target on a different cabinet. Shut it. Good job.
Wow.
You did it. Let's try the other door. Wait. Wait. Oh, Lady Bird. Not for you. Leave it. Well, what's in this? I've never seen it before. Shut it. Shut it. But it's not on the right side. Come over here. Shut it. She says I can only shut cabinets that open to the right. Shut it. Yeah, good
Yeah.
girl. Good job. Let's go out here and try this door to the training room. This is a big jump in generalization. I'm gonna use this door.
Oh, okay.
Alright, Lady Bird, ready? Ready? Shut it! Good girl! Shut it! It's a little heavy. Good
Hey, all right.
job! You sit. Wait, sit. Wait. Ready? Shut it! Shut it! Good
Wow.
All the dogs are like, what is happening?
What's happening?
Lady Bird, sit. Sit. Good. Sit firm. Good girl. Wait. Oh. Oh, you choked out a little. You got it up. You got to cool them. All right, Lady Bird, shut it. Good
Wow.
job. Good job, Lady Bird. Down. Down. Oh, big. Wait. Oh. Get back there. I know you do. Down. Put that butt down. You're just being silly now. She says, I need a heading break before I lose my mind. I need some butt scratches.
Oh, I need some loving.
Need some recharging. Okay. Alright. Ready. Ready. Sit. Yes. Good girl. And down. Yes. Good girl. And wait. Oh. Alright, let's just do a sit wait. Sit. That's your backup. Come here. Sit. Thank you. Wait. Shut it. Good job.
Wow.
Good job, Lady Bird.
Wow, that's great.
That's awesome. How long have we been going?
About 9 minutes.
Okay, we'll stop there because that was perfect and she was getting tired.
Gee, it was.